The price of Bitcoin jumped up very significantly today as it broke through this level of resistance after the CPI data came out. The CPI data came out today at 6.4%, 6.2% was expected, but 6.5% is where we were from January in December, essentially. So currently in January, 6.4% down from 6.5%. That is ultimately a bullish thing, and that's why we're seeing the markets moving to the upside right now. In terms of my current open positions, I'm currently positioned in longs right now. You can see I'm currently $5,000 in profit. I opened up my long position, a $423,000 long position at approximately $21,708 in total. Currently, the price is $21,966, so it's about $200 up from my entry, hence why about $5,000 in profit, which is looking fantastic. And other things today, I bought 15 million TAP coins. If you were wondering on the price of TAP, who the buys were, the mysterious buys that were 10 million of buy pressure and 5 million of buy pressure at 49 and 50, today those got sold into. You'll see this big spike in volume here because a whale exited today on TAP, and that's fantastic because it now means that the overall sell pressure is significantly reduced to the point whereby 7 Bitcoins would cause the price to rise up so significantly that I think that TAP is going to move pretty soon. We wiped out a whale today. Everything is on the move. Everything is starting to look very bullish, very positive. And in today's video, I'm going to explain more about my plans for the future in terms of what I'm expecting to do when it comes to the current price of Bitcoin, current price of Ethereum, what we're doing in terms of current open trades, analyze the price of Bitcoin, look at the price of XTP, look at the price of Dafi, what am I accumulating right now, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, then please do drop a like on today's video. I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to hit 1,000 likes on this video. It's been a while since we've achieved a like goal, so if you really would slap a like on it, I'd really appreciate that. Make sure, of course, you are subscribed to the channel. Again, I'd really appreciate that. Trying to get 100,000 subscribers on this channel this year, so subscribe, like, and let's crack on. So first things first, this is the current price of Bitcoin. Current open trade looking pretty good. What is Bitcoin doing in terms of the hourly chart right now? Well, Bitcoin, of course, has broken this long-term downtrend, and as long as we can close the 4-hour candle above this level of resistance, this is actually looking very, very positive right now, because essentially if you look at the overall volume resistance that we're experiencing, the next key level, I mean, I pointed it out in yesterday's video that essentially $22,300, $22,400 was the key level of which we expected to get to today. We've already hit that level, and I expect this to kind of come back down and then loop back around and come back to the upside on the price of Bitcoin. Because if we zoom out on the price of Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin appears to have formed a bit of a bottom within what is ultimately a fairly bullish formation. Now, we lost the previous range. We've dropped down. We're having a period of consolidation. We look to be bouncing back to the upside, and the key level that Bitcoin needs to break through is this one right here at approximately $22,100. Currently, the price of Bitcoin sits about $100 below that level. But if we are to break out above $22,100, then we can expect a price increase all the way back up to the underside level here to about $22,895 or $865. Basically, $22,900 would be the target on the price of Bitcoin right now. If you are in a long position, that is my current target, and that is where I'll take profits on my trade. Now, when it comes to, of course, the price of XTP looks mega bullish. Currently sat at 54 sats, up 10% from where I bought earlier today. Look at all the buys coming in. The buys are coming in thick and fast. These walls are getting sucked up so quickly. This could really, really rally today all the way back to the upside, like what we experienced last time where we V'd down and then bounced back to the upside. I'm expecting the exact same thing to happen on the price of TAP right now. Great buying opportunity, and for that reason I'm in, hence why I bought 15 million TAP coins. Now, that is a lot of TAP coins to buy. You can do the maths on it yourself as to how much money that is. It's more than 6 figures, more than $120,000 that I spent today on TAP coins. That should show you ultimately how confident I am in TAP. Why do I want to buy more coins? Well, because it's not done. Everybody is so keen to go, oh, well, you're wrong. It's not broken 100 sats yet. Why does nobody have any patience in this space? Do you think that when I went 100x on SWISSBORG, I made all my money in the span of a week? No, I didn't. That took like 6 to 12 months for that trade to play out. And the one thing that I wish I did more of on SWISSBORG was buy more coins while the price was so cheap. And that's why I'm doing that on TAP right now, because I believe there is a strong potential here that this could potentially be the best trade ever placed by any crypto YouTuber. And I'm quite confident about that. The US launch is coming up fairly soon. It's all starting to gear up very nicely. Adoption of the application is coming in very thick and fast, and there are more expected announcements coming fairly soon on the price of TAP. So I'm overall very bullish on TAP, of course. Now, Back to the price of Bitcoin, 21,988. I've already explained about the price levels of which to watch on Bitcoin, but what about Ethereum? Now, Ethereum today got rejected at this level right here, the level that I pointed out in yesterday's video that we likely came up and retest. We came up and retested it again, absolutely bang on, $1,545. We came up, we retested it, we got rejected off it just now, but the point is that trade was absolutely perfect from $1,500 up to $1,550. A very nice significant profit, as I pointed out in yesterday's video. At the same time, if Ethereum's price breaks above this key level of resistance at $1,545, where this purple line is, actually, yeah, $1,545, that's exactly where it is. If we break above that level, then essentially we're back into this previous trading zone, and then at that point, you'd expect to come up and retest the underside. Now, from my perspective, that seems more than likely right now. So my target on Ethereum is $1,600 as it sits, and I think that seems fairly likely in the coming days, especially given the good news that we had today about CPI inflation data. It wasn't as good as what everybody expected, but at the same time, I always expect bad things to come out of these things, because if you expect bad things and then the news is good, it's fantastic, and that's exactly what we're experiencing today. So other things to point out in today's video would be the price of Dafi. Now, how has Dafi's price been getting on recently? Well, Dafi has been entering, as I pointed out in yesterday's video, look at this. The price went down to 0.1910. Now the price is at 0.2216. So the price is up significantly since yesterday, but actually the price reached 3 cents overnight. Now, these walls are getting battered. The buy demand on Dafi is coming back significantly. Big news expected for Dafi this week, and that big news is also translating into a lot of buy orders coming in right now. You can see all of these buy orders, again, significantly more buys than sells on the price of Dafi, hence why the price seems to be doing so well right now. Everything is shaping up for a very good end to this week, and it's only just started. I really do think this week could be a pretty good one. I think it'll be the recovery week. I think XTP's price will go up. I think Dafi's price will go up. I think the price of Bitcoin will go up, or at least to my current targets in terms of my current trades. Of course, I'm long on Bitcoin. That's my only long position right now. And of course, if you are interested in trading, please do check out the links and information in today's video description. One more thing to bring up to you in today's video would be if you go over to cryptosavingexpert.com and you go to the homepage right here, highly recommend you check it out. Go over, sign up, make an account. There is a bunch of free courses. If you want to find out how to spot altcoin gems, just take the How to Spot Altcoin Gems course, stable coins, blockchains versus DAGs, tokenomics. These are all really in-depth, well put together courses, and I'd highly recommend you watch through them and complete the quizzes, because it's all free, top quality information that you won't find anywhere else on the internet, because everybody else wants to charge you for these things. I don't want to charge you. I want to enrich your brain so that then you make better decisions, and then ultimately you become richer, because that's how you create a more healthy economy. So that's my thoughts on everything right now. Thank you all very much for watching. Go to cryptosavingexpert.com and have a fantastic day. Again, if you've got any friends or family that want to learn about crypto, again, send them to cryptosavingexpert.com. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.